Reverend Dr. Karimi from Kenya, Mohammed Barry from Sierra Leone, Mr. Kinsley from Cameroon, our guest note speaker, Mr. Krua from Liberia, members of the African community, invited guests, friends, and supporters. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you as you celebrate this wonderful African festival, going on since the year 2000, I believe, of Kenya. And the City Council unanimously passed a resolution to have Nairobi, Kenya, as a sister city of Lowell, Massachusetts. Part of this celebrations, Cameroon, Ghana, the Ivory Coast, Kenya, Liberia, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Senegal, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. We are pleased that you are part of our city, and this city was built on the foundation and on the backs of immigrants.
Hello? Do you have members of the Kenyan community here? We are so grateful this afternoon to be here as we thank the organizers of the African Festival. The Kenyans are a substantial population. And so this is a challenge to us so that we can rise up and participate when it comes to these cultural issues that can bring the African community together. You listened to the mayor of Lowell as he officially announced to us that the Lowell County Council has voted Nairobi to be a sister city. And we have quite a number of Kenyan pastors here, like the chairman of our fellowship, Bishop Karaya. We have Bishop Kememia, we have Pastor Ekira Mureithi, and we have Major Gidetu. And we are looking forward to a date that has already been set, October 18th, when we will have the raising of the Kenyan flag in the Lowell City Hall, and at the same time launch the Nairobi Lowell Sisterhood. And so, brothers and sisters, friends of the Africans, give us all the support. The organizers, keep up the good work. And we support you, and we are going to do everything possible to make sure that this initiative continues, even to greater heights. May God bless you all.